What is going to happen with her and her family?
Today, many, if not most, of those expensive houses look like this, falling down or barely standing because the poor have no way of keeping them up. Education is free here, including college. Same for health care. It's free. But it's not enough, especially for the young Cubans. They want to run their own businesses, earn money that equals what others in a free society are making.
We want changes in the economic side. We want to increase the private sector because there is more motivation to develop our society, to work harder, and it is a fact that the socialism in the economic side, it doesn't work.
Cuban government has allowed some private enterprise in the hospitality industry. The best restaurants we visited are owned by private citizens who are often able to pay their waiters more than average medical doctors can earn working for the state. But the changes, they're not coming fast enough for the young. Going to visit Havana like I did is a lot tougher now that the Trump administration has rolled back the more lenient policies of the Obama administration. So how do you do it? Step one, you'll need a cultural or educational visa. If you're there on one of those, no staying, though, at a Cuban government hotel. You can visit the great beaches, but you can't stay at the hotels there because the government owns them, or at least part of them. And no eating at government-owned restaurants. Here's some good things, though. Take it from me. The food is much better in those small privately owned restaurants that we showed you. And when you stay at a B&B, the hospitality and especially the conversation is just outstanding. Bruce Johnson, WUSA 9.
And on our WUSA 9 mobile app, you'll see Bruce's photo gallery of Cuba and its people, along with more information for getting into the country and places to visit.
And while we're talking travel, we can't leave out the City of Lights. Look at this, Topper. Wow. Paris saw its biggest snowfall in years today, 6 inches or so, enough to close the Eiffel Tower and give us this beautiful photo to share. They've had some issues with flooding there too.
They've had flooding. They've had a mess. They have more snow there than we've had here.
Ah, yes. Thank you for reminding me of that.
Yeah.
Along with Charleston and Norfolk and Atlanta and
Florida.
You had to get it going.
Yeah. All right, we're going to talk about the 3-degree guarantee. And I got to tell you, I was worried about this, and cold air damming is really tricky. And I'll let you kind of behind the scenes here. When I went to do the 3-degree yesterday, the guidance, the computer models we look at, went 55 and 52. Well, I threw that out. I was like, okay, that's too warm. But I went 45 and sweated it out. We finally got to 43 about 8 o'clock this evening. That's pretty good. In fact, let me show you the highs. We talked about this at this time yesterday. Highs would be from the 30s to the 50s. Well, the high in Hagerstown was 37. It was 54 just across the bay. It was 60 in Georgetown. Another classic example of cold air damming. Okay, live look outside. It's 37 right now. Dew points are now in the 20s because winds have turned. They're north-northwest, gusting to 24. That's doing a couple of things. It's drying out the roads. That's good. It's also beginning to drop wind chills. So dress for the teens and 20s tomorrow. Bus stop temps, if you're on time tomorrow, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., 24 to 32. There will be some slick spots. Be careful walking. Some black ice is possible also till about 11 o'clock. Blustery tomorrow, chilly with some clouds on Friday as the system passes to our north, and then afternoon rain on Sunday. May get here even late morning and right on into Saturday, rather, and right on into Sunday. So good news, milder weekend. Bad news, pretty wet. All right, 6 a.m. tomorrow, 28 downtown, 22 in Gaithersburg. By 9 o'clock, we're still 28 downtown and only 26 in Bowie. And by lunchtime, you're walking to lunch. Well, the good news, the winds have died down, but it's only in the low 30s. Pretty much across the board. By 6 p.m., we're back in the 20s in Gaithersburg and Hagerstown and Cumberland and Romney. Wind's not a factor, and still 34 downtown. And by about this time tomorrow night, we're in the 20s again, headed for the low 20s tomorrow night. So as cold as tonight will be, temperature-wise, it will be colder tomorrow night. Wind chills. By early in the morning, 6 a.m., it's going to feel like it's in the teens across the board. In fact, only feels like 10 up in Hagerstown. By lunchtime, it's going to feel like it's in the low to mid-20s. And by evening, it's going to feel like it's in the upper 20s to around 30 as the winds relax. So kind of a blustery Thursday. So day planner goes like this, upper 20s to start. Yellow weather alert in the morning, only 32 at 11 o'clock, only 35 by 1 o'clock. Friday, we're okay. Chilly with some clouds, probably mostly cloudy on Friday, 47. And then rain develops early afternoon or late morning on Saturday and 50. And then it stays warm, but more rain on Sunday. More showers on Monday and Tuesday.